and welcome back to my channel. To today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look because it's been so hot this past week. I have been stepping my makeup look down a notch, and I've been doing this minimal natural makeup look. It is actually my favourite look during summer and spring because I don't really wear much makeup during summer and spring anyway. And I'm so excited for this video. If you really like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So they're using so primer. I'm going to be using my simple cleansing lotion, which will make my face feel more natural. Carry on watching the video. I'm going to be using my simple lotion, and I'm going to be using my Isabella Scott Sydney brush to blend in the lotion. I always do this during summer and spring because I like to wear a more natural look. So I'm just going to put a pump on my hand, but not too much. But I'm going to use my fingers to put it all over my face. And I apply this all over my face. So yeah, because I do like to moisturise my face during summer and spring. And yeah, I burped. Sorry. So instead of wearing two foundations, I'm going to be wearing my one foundation by Keith. And then I'm going to be using my brush to blend it in, but doing circle movements. So that is all I'm going to be doing. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to the foundation, but I'm going to be using a very, very tiny bit of foundation because this is a natural makeup look. I don't like to wear much makeup during summer and spring because I feel so sweaty. So I'm going to put a little bit on. And I'm not going to use two foundations because I only like to use one foundation during summer and spring. So I'm going to use about a pump or about 2 pumps. That is all I am going to be using. Because during summer and spring, I just want to be makeup free, kind of. But I like to have a little bit of makeup on, but not too much, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to apply it onto my face. And I like to do it on my neck so it blends in. So to keep my makeup all natural, I'm using my pressed powder from my And then I'm going to use my blending brush to blend it in. Just like that. Okay. So yeah, that is all I do with my foundation. So I'm going to keep on blending. I'm going to be moving on to pressed powder. I don't use contour, concealer or highlighter during summer or spring because I think that's like a full-on makeup. Because during summer and spring, I like to wear minimal makeup, so it's full of foundation, my lotion, what I've just used. During summer and spring, I always like to wear nude eyeshadow, so I'm using my Eyes Uncovered by Collection, like a lip balm. But I'm gonna be using this to make my skin feel a bit better. So I always use this. I actually love this pressed powder by Model Zone. So I just need to get that, and then just need to like put it all over my face. So yeah, that is it for my pressed powder, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow next. I'm using a different eyeshadow. I've not used like a different eyeshadow for like many months now because I love my Safe X palette. But during the summertime, I do like to wear nudes on my eyelids, but I don't like it too heavy. So I'm gonna go with the collection Eyes Uncovered, and I'm just gonna be going what matches my.
So I'm going to be applying my mascara. This is the most natural mascara I've ever worn, and it is brown to match my eyelashes.
So, yeah. But I do like to go with... But I kind of think eyeshadow is the best makeup product to me, because I think eyeshadow palettes makes your eyes complete. So yeah, so I'm just going to do my eyelids. But I do not like to do too much because this is a natural look. So yeah.
I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with my eyebrow gel and pen.
I go with mascara now. So this is the most natural mascara that I've got. It matches my eyelashes, and this is a brown one. And this is from Primark. So I'm just going to do my eyelashes. Okay. So this is my mascara, and this is possibly like the best mascara I've got. Now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I love my eyebrows because they make my makeup look complete. I think the best makeup products to me during summer and spring have to be eyebrows, eyeshadow and pressed powder. That's the main 3 products I actually love. So this is a natural one, and so is this. So I'm going to be using this pen to gently just go for it. So like that.
So I'm using my Zoella Gingerbread Scented Lip Balm.
So I do that, and then I just mess up my eyebrow a bit. Okay. So then I'm going to be using the same brush that I used for my eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like. And I just fill it in. So I actually love it. It's very natural, and it's really good. So I like to do. I'm actually quite proud of the light today because I'm by a window and it's really sunny outside whilst I film this. So I thought the perfect opportunity to do it. So yeah, so that is one eyebrow, and that is natural. Move on to the last product. As I told you before, I don't like to wear much lip gloss or lipsticks during summer and spring, so I am going to be using my Zoella Gingerbread Scented Lip Balm. This is like a really natural look. Sorry guys, it just takes ages to undo because it's so stuck together. So I'm going to be using my lip balm. So, that is it for my natural look. I actually love this look so much. And, yeah, so that is the end of the video, guys. That is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. And guys, if you've got... Well, I'm doing that. I don't know. And if you've got any suggestions for any videos for the future, comment down below or message me on my social medias. I'll leave in the description below. That would mean a lot to me. so I know what content you guys want me to film for you. And I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye!